What is the best way to find altars of Lilith? So we're going to be taking a look at how to find them without giving yourself a massive headache. So I would recommend going to the website, so pull up a web browser and type in d4planner.io/map. I will put a link in the description, so you just have to click it. Now once you're here, go to the sidebar and then click on hide all. And this will make all of the icons disappear, and then click on waypoints to make them appear and altar of Lilith to make them appear. The waypoints, and then you can click on this arrow here to hide it. So the waypoints make it so that you can ground yourself, you know where you have to go to teleport, and then all of the altars are of course where you have to go to collect them. Now once you've collected them, you can click on each altar, click the check to found, and then it will unhighlight itself and you can systematically go through all of the altars. Now when do you want to get the altars? Well, it doesn't matter too much when you're doing the campaign. You can still complete it without the additional powers, but when you start to get to end game, especially if you're in hardcore, you want to collect these as you're entering World Tier 3 and World Tier 4. So wait until you have the mount. If you want to start collecting them all, I would recommend, because it will speed it up significantly. And yeah, just follow the map and collect them all. The good news is, once you've collected them once, in subsequent seasons you will still have all of the bonus damage added to your character, so you don't have to do this over and over again. So make sure to complete it once this season and you'll be set for every other season in the future when it comes to the damage bonuses from the altars. So I hope this did help. If it did, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and you can also subscribe to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you.